To add an accountant to your QuickBooks account, follow these steps. Log into your QuickBooks account as an administrator or a user with admin rights. Navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen and select Manage Users or Manage Users and Roles from the drop-down menu. On the user list page, click on the New or Add User button to begin adding a new user. Fill in the required information for the accountant, including their name, email address, and user type. Select the appropriate user type based on the level of access you want to grant to the accountant. Review the entered information to ensure accuracy. Once you have filled in the necessary details, click on the Save or Add button to create the accountant's user account. The accountant will now have the appropriate access and tools to assist you with your accounting needs and ensure the accuracy of your financial records. Make sure to like and subscribe if this video gave you valuable info. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.